Michelle here from Strawberry, and today we're going to unpack a box for a girl ages 5 to 9, and this one has an Encanto theme. So I haven't been doing a lot of theme boxes this year. I've just been buying what God shows me to buy or what I find on sale or on bulk. And some of the items that were in this box were holdovers from last year. But you know, we're not promised tomorrow and we're not promised next year. So I decided to finish this box up and send it out so that a little girl can enjoy it, because no one's enjoying it while it's sitting on my shelf. So she's gonna open it up, and I haven't done any decorations, sorry about that, but this is what she's going to see. So she's got a notebook and she's got a coloring book. So it's not Encanto, but it is a sing-along activity book. And so, you know, I thought there's really nothing about singing inside of here. But anyway, I thought sing-along activity book would be sort of along the theme. She is a 5 to 9. I usually put my dancing ribbon rings in my 2 to 4-year-old boxes, but I thought this 5 to 9-year-old deserved to have a dancing ribbon ring. I also do flags at church, worship flags. I don't just do them at church. I do worship flags when I want to worship God and praise God and just get, I don't know, just move and worship. And I like that. And I'm an adult. So I thought a little girl would like that too. She's got this little, I don't know, caterpillar thing. I think it's supposed to be a bracelet. It's got a hole at this end. I couldn't figure out how to connect it. Maybe she's smarter than me and she can figure it out. This was on clearance from Dollar General just like last month. I gave her a little penguin stuffed animal because that's what I found in my stash. That kind of went with the colors. And this was, I believe, Walmart last year at Christmas. And I believe it's actually a dog toy, but it's cute. It's cute. You wouldn't know it's a dog toy except that it has a squeaker. You know, as a kid, I'd like a squeaker in a toy. Squeakers are fun. We've got a little fidget thingy. Whatever those are called. Brain. Oh my goodness. So I'm a teacher, and yesterday one of my students said she wasn't thinking right, and she said something weird or whatever. She goes, "My brain isn't braining today." That was just so hilarious. Alright, she's got one of these high bounce pinky balls. I bought those in bulk off of Amazon this year. She's got some Play-Doh. These came from an anonymous donor for my birthday fundraiser this year. Thank you. Alright, so this is her wow item. It is in this organza wine bag to hold everything together. And, come on. It is, see her? Isn't she beautiful? Oh, there's her other shoe. And she's got shoes. Unfortunately, her size is bigger than like Barbie, so I couldn't find any clothes to add with her, but she does have this doll to play with. And I started putting hairbrushes in with my dolls because I had a bunch of hair-mazing dolls that really needed a brush. So I went ahead and just left that in there. Okay, she has a pair of socks, but this is not just a pair of socks. These are some Encanto sunglasses, and I just put them in the sock to protect them. Oh, here, I'll let you be able to see it. And aren't these socks cute? These socks were like in a Amazon bundle bulk sale where they would just send you a variety of socks, and I thought these were really cute. She has a pencil pack in purple, and she's got some glue, and she's got some pencils and a multi-click pen, some scissors, some erasers and a pencil sharpener, and some animal stickers. She has a second wow item, and that is this recorder. This recorder actually came from Tiffany, I think a year ago for my birthday, because this box, I've been trying to put it together for over a year. Tiffany with OCC Packers, she's got a Facebook page, Facebook group, and she's got a YouTube channel. She's an amazing, amazing shoebox packer. Check her out. I'll have a link. She has a box of crayons. She has an Encanto water bottle pouch thing. And she has an Encanto bag, tote bag, to put all of her stuff in. And it says Sister Goals. And I think I'm going to go grab a couple more scrunchies for her, and I'll add that to the box at the end. Oh, wait. She also has a bouncy ball. All right, pause. I'm back. So I forgot to put my note in, so I've got a note now. And I also have a couple scrunchies and a couple of hair elastics. The recorder is like, you have to put it in the box diagonally with the mouthpiece like totally in the corner, or it's not going to fit. It is a tight fit for that recorder, but it does fit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you'd like to buy my Alpaca Shoebox t-shirt, it's available on my Etsy store linked below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Toodles!